Baclayan Church. Oldest church here in Baclayan, Bohol. Ito yung sinasabi nilang made of coral stones. Tapos yung semento, hinahaluan pa daw ng egg whites para raw matibay. You have not been to Baclayan if you have not seen the museum. So, ayan, mukhang napakatibay nga ng mga pader. Kaya yung entrance. Ito yung museum. Yan. Ito pala din yung pasukan ng church. Yung kabila museum.
Oo. Kapag aakyat dyan, ito pa yung papasok ng simbahan.
Ah, okay. So, ito yung pasimbahan. Ayan. Padre Pio. Makikita mo talagang pagkalungan ng church. Ayan o. It really looks so old. Ganda.